Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when RoShade for Roblox is not working properly on your PC. The RoShade not working problem is usually caused by compatibility issues with the Roblox app, an outdated RoShade version, or because of conflicting apps running on your PC. So first, you want to make sure that the Roblox client is not running on your PC. So what you're going to do is open up your task manager by searching for it, then in the processes section, and all the processes that could range your game files or show an overlay while in game. In some cases, that would be Steam, Adobe Application, or CCleaner. You should also make sure that any third-party Roblox apps such as RoShade are not running. Reinstall RoShade. When this is done, navigate to roshade.com and download the latest RoShade Setup installer to your system. Some people are unable to access the download link. If it's not working for you, then you should go here in the github.com dash this in the browser. So you will get into this one and you will install. So just download. So after downloading the installer, make sure to run the installer and reinstall the shaders you need for Roblox. This can take a minute or two to complete, and a new desktop shortcut will be created during this process. You can then launch Roblox using the new shortcut to see if the shade is working with the key bindings. So you selected to toggle the shaders to Roblox compatibility settings. If the problem persists, then this issue is the most likely related to Roblox client itself. Now, search for Roblox, then select Open File Location. Then right-click the Roblox shortcut, and then right-click the Roblox player. Launcher, Roblox Player Launcher. Then access to its properties. On this window in the compatibility section, check the Disable Full Screen Optimization option before applying the changes. Some users were able to get the RoShade working again after whitelisting the program in their antivirus application. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!